Hey guys, this is my review of this smoothie blender. So I bought this blender because I love to make smoothies, protein smoothies, and I don't like having a huge bulky blender out on my counter. And I also wanted a smoothie blender that I could just take the cup with me so I don't have to pour it out, wash that, and then wash another container. This thing is amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys how it works and how well it blends up your smoothies. It is very powerful. As you can see, it's not huge. It sits right on your countertop. I love that it has these little suction pieces on the bottom so it's not gonna come off your counter. You push it there and it's gonna stay, so you don't have to worry about it flying off your counter if you bump it. You just plug it in and it has the green light when it shows you that it's ready to go. So then you put the blender attachment on, so it comes with the cup. I like that it shows you the max fill. So as you can see, I just have fruit in here, a little bit of protein powder and some milk. And then you put that blender attachment on, screw it on tight, put it in, and then all you do is press the top and you're gonna get your smoothie going. Okay, sorry about your ears, but I wanted to show you truly how long that takes. Only a few seconds. You take it off and you have an awesome smoothie ready to go. You can take it off if you want your smoothie obviously thinner, you can add more liquid, but there are no chunks of fruit in there. You can see it did the job. It is pure. And then you just screw this lid on and then you're ready to go. Has an open spout, you can just take it with you. So super easy. Cleanup is literally this, that's it. And then you have your smoothie and you're ready to go.